We don't have tropical rainforests in Manchester. We have huge peatlands that suck in and store carbon, but they are just as important for the environment. We don't have cheetahs roaming the Manchester plains. We have the peregrine, the fastest creature on Earth, reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour when diving for prey. We don't have endangered pandas and polar bears, but we do have hedgehogs, hares, willow tits and starlings, and they're all at risk unless we make plans to care for them. If you want to discover the astonishing variety of wildlife in Manchester and get involved in projects which are restoring our plants and creatures, support the Manchester Festival of Nature. MFON, Manchester's wildest festival,